Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car of the 2018 68 Reg 335D M Sport Saloon. Vehicle once again is presented in black sapphire metallic and also does feature the BMW M Performance kit again on this vehicle, and does come very nicely equipped. The alloy wheels are a set of the 405M alloy wheels from BMW, 20-inch. Behind those you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, as the car does also come with the M Sport Plus package with some other very nice extras on top of that. LED headlights at the front. Down the side then we've got the satin sidebars, satin side vinyls and M Performance decals. Sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Inside it's a full Oyster Dakota leather. It's all in really nice condition. It's a very nice contrasting colour combination. The front seats are both heated. We have of course also got Harman Kardon thanks to the Plus package. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. For the rear passengers there's a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench with the central folding armrest. This car does also have the split folding seat option as well. I'll show that off to you in a moment. Round towards the back then, again you can see what big difference having those 20-inch alloys makes to the car. Satin rear spoiler and a matching rear diffuser. If you pop open the tailgate, you'll see again how clean and tidy everything is in there, and of course that is where we can find the lever to pop open the split folding seats. Quickly show that off to you before we take a seat inside the driver's side. And as you can see, that's just going to give you that little bit more flexibility for carrying around longer, larger items. Inside we've got the digital cockpit option on this 335D, which is of course again always a very popular one to have. It's only covered just over 35,000 miles. Does come with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and that's of course where you'll find the paddles as well for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Put the car into sport, we'll see a completely different look to the display, including a very large digital speedo. Everything's going to glow red. And then if we go into the professional wide nav and media system, you can see there having that bigger screen is a massive benefit. Back to the home screen, Connected Drive Plus gives you access to online search, news and weather. We'll quickly show you the servicing requirements and service history. Everything's currently in green. It's not due a service for 17,000 miles. Does also come with BMW service history. It was last serviced or last visited at 34894 for a full service, including, it was for an engine oil and microfilter service with front and rear brake pads. So that's always a great peace of mind. It's got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, and then all of your multimedia needs such as DAB, online entertainment, music collection and USB and Bluetooth line-in. It's a really nicely spec car. There's a dual climate control system as well. We have also got the heads-up display, as you can currently see just there. Hard to find the 325Ds with the genuine BMW M Performance kit on, especially with ones with such high specs. So if of course you'd like to know any further information on the car, there will be 2 links available to you in the description. For the meantime, thank you very much for watching our walk around. We do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and we will of course look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, bye bye.